Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you how I'm preparing my ribs to do some oven baked jerk ribs. I've got my ribs here. I'm using pork ribs. I've already washed it with lime and vinegar. I've got some ground pimento, a blend of different powdered seasoning. I'll list them in the description box. I've got about a tablespoon of green seasoning and 2 scallions cut up, or 2 green onions, and that's the jerk seasoning I'm using. I am using hot and spicy. You can use mild if you don't like pepper. I'm using some liquid smoke and some mushroom flavored dark soy sauce. First I'm going to sprinkle on my powdered seasoning, scallion and green seasoning. Say about a teaspoon of liquid smoke, mushroom flavored dark soy sauce. You don't have to use this, but I like using it. About a teaspoon of ground pimento, and the jerk seasoning is your preference. If you like it spicy, then you can add more. I'm using about 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. Let's mix this together. That looks good. Put this in a different dish, a smaller one, to go in the fridge. I'm just going to cover this with plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge until it's time to cook the ribs. I will see you back when I'm cooking these for Sunday dinner, so stay tuned. It's now Sunday morning and I'm getting ready to start my ribs. Got the ribs here that's been marinating overnight. I have some tomato puree, 2 scallions, some pimento seeds, got some thyme, and my jerk seasoning. I've got a pot here with a little bit of water. I'm going to put these to steam. Let's get these ready. I'm just gonna pound the scallions like that. I'm using 2 scallions and just about that much pimento. Get some thyme, just a little bit of jerk seasoning. I did say you can make this as spicy as you wish. Not everybody likes spicy food. I'm going to put a little bit of tomato puree. Just going to put the ribs in. I'm going to put these to cook on a low heat, so it's more like a steam until they're cooked, and then we'll finish them off in the oven, just so that we can brown them off. I'm just going to rinse this bowl out just to get all of the seasoning from the marinade there. That looks good. Just going to go and put this on to cook, and once they're cooked then we'll bake in the oven. I just wanted to show you that the ribs started to boil. You can smell the jerk seasoning. Going to turn this all the way down, cover it back, and I'm going to set a timer. So in half an hour I'll be back. That's our ribs. I'm gonna put them in the oven now to finish off. I do line my pans with foil paper. They are cooked. Just gonna throw on some of the sauce that it cooked in. I've got my oven preheated to a gas mark 5 or 350 degrees. So I'm going to put them in the oven uncovered, and then in 15 minutes we'll check on them. Our ribs have been baking for 15 minutes. That's the rest of our sauce. I've just strained it, and I'm going to pour this over the ribs and put it in the oven to finish off. I'll bake them for about another 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and brown. I will see you back once our ribs have finished cooking. So it's now been 20 minutes this later. Our jerk ribs are done, looking nice and brown. And then I have some scallions for garnish. Let's just plate these up. That's our ribs. Spoon on some of this sauce. That's our jerk ribs done. Oven bake with the liquid smoke to give it that smoky flavor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.